All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the ride of your life? Yeah, this is appropriate because it's the walk for life, the walk for the cure. All right, here goes.
These must be the police horses.
It is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Broom, 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 broom. Hey guys, who's driving? Who's driving you? Who's driving you? Anybody? Wow, you're doing it on your own. That's great. Thank you. With a little help. Yeah.
Don't go down there.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice job, guys.
Don't do that anymore. No, Papa. Don't go down there.
Okay. What do you guys think?
Can we go in there?
No, it does look like fun, doesn't it? It's a stream by the river. All right, pretty fun, huh, guys? All righty, say bye.